Yeah, well, first, welcome to the John Deere booth here, CES 2024. We're really excited to be talking about technology that is real, right? So everything that you see in the booth today is real tech used in ag or road building and construction that is in the market, in the hands of customers today. That starts right here with what we're seeing on this screen back here is some autonomous tillage going on. This is actually happening down in Austin, Texas. And we can see right here from 1,100 miles away in Las Vegas, this autonomous tractor operating, doing tillage operation, getting ready for the planting season. Then if you come over here to the next step, you'll see this John Deere 8RX tractor, 50,000 pound tractor pulling a 1775 NT planter. So this is a planter with 16 individual robotic planting units that can plant up to 700 seeds a second. On a good day, this planter can plant 30 million individual cotton seeds in one day. Super productive, very precise, maximizing the yield of cotton at the end of the day. As we go down here, we see what is called our See and Spray Ultimate technology. So during the growing season, you need to make sure that weeds are not taking too many nutrients away from your plant, because again, you need to make sure you're having a good yield at the end of the growing season. So this spraying technology utilizes cameras, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and it knows the difference between a plant and a weed, and it only sprays the weeds so that you're saving money by not using more chemical than you need, but you're also having the sustainable benefit, which is an awesome story to tell. And then at the end of the growing seaseason, you go over here and you've got to harvest your crop. And so this is one of our cotton picker units, getting ready to harvest some cotton here at the end of the season. That's ultimately going to turn into cotton that's going to be used for clothing, like what all of us are wearing today. And what's really cool is this year we hosted some customers in the booth who they have actually traced the cotton that is produced on their farm to what has ultimately been used to make the shirts that we're wearing here in the booth today. So it's a really cool story to talk about how we're taking something from dirt to shirt and bringing a consumer good to market.